Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I have been getting my hair in this nice sleek bun with no hair gel and no edge control. I have been wearing my hair, of course a lot of you know this is my favorite protective hairstyle, but I usually will use gel around my edges. I'm trying to just take care of my hair more and be more gentle with it. So I wanted to share this with you guys because it's been working really nice for me. And it's also hot in summertime, so it's great that this has been working great for me and I haven't had to use like a really strong hold gel. And so I'm just gonna get right into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. So for this, you will need a moisturizer. I'm using this Cantu Shea Butter moisturizing curl activating cream, and I'm not using it to activate my curls, I'm just using it as a moisturizer. Then you will need to have black castor oil. So this is a mixture. It's about 1 part black castor oil and 2 parts of this Mielle Organics mint almond oil. And this is a very thin oil, but the black castor oil is extremely thick. So this is really going to help to coat the hair and really slick it down. So since the black castor oil is so thick, when you add the mint almond oil to it, it thins it down, but it's thick enough to slick our hair down. And then I just have my hair. It is freshly washed. I washed it yesterday and I twisted it up last night. So I'm just going to separate it. Only thing I'm going to do, this is extremely simple. I'm going to try and of course get rid of this little part in the back. And then I'm going to add water. And I don't need to drench it, just spray enough to have it, a little damp. And then I'm going to rub my hair in the direction I want my hair to be slicked in, or I'm gonna have my ponytail in, my bun. Okay. Then I'm gonna use my moisturizer. That's a pretty good amount. I probably put too much, but that's okay. And I'm just going to put this on my hair, just like I would a hair gel. Now that I have my hair coated with moisturizer, I'm going to take some black castor oil mixture and I'm going to take a little bit, put on my hand. And then I like to go through my part, do a line there, and then I'm going to go through the side. This is just what I like to do. I'm really trying to help my hair around my edges to get stronger and grow more. Ooh. And it's the part that I need to be like the most tamed. So, oh my gosh. Ooh. And it's the part that I need to be the most tamed. So I definitely don't miss the edges of my hair when I do this. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put some more on my palms to put on the back part of my head. And then I'm just going to spread the oil on my hair. Nice and easy. And sometimes if you need to do a little more spray, you can. I'm just going to spray a little more water. And I'm going to take this soft brush and I'm going to very, very gently brush, but I'm only going to use this edge part. I'm not going to put this directly on my head like that. I'm going to use the edge to slightly smooth out my hair. Okay, I'm like barely even pressing, slightly smooth it out. I'm gonna put it in a bun. And I'm only gonna loop it through once because this hair tie is pretty small. And then I'm gonna use my bun thing, this mesh bun maker. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna put that through. So that's good, I have my bun. I'm gonna take a little more oil and just put in my palms. And then I'm going to just apply it to my edges. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna take my fingers and smooth it. Okay. And now I'm going to take a headscarf. Mine is sort of like do-rag style, which I like because it lays down all of my hair. Oops. So I'm gonna put this around and gently tie it and leave it on for a few minutes. Okay, so major key to this working is you have to let your hair completely dry before you take your scarf off. So I would suggest leaving it on your head for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for at least 5 minutes just to let the hair set into place. And my hair is going to be very nice and smooth, just like I used gel, but I haven't used gel, so it's just a lot healthier for my hair. It's going to have like a lot less breakage. I think this is a really nice thing to do for someone who is trying to nourish their edges, which I sort of am. And it's just healthier. Like, why would I use gel if there's a healthier way to do what I'm trying to do? So I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how laid my hair is. Okay, ladies and gents, it's been a couple of minutes, and I usually, when I do this in the morning, when I'm getting ready for work, I usually will wash my face, and I'll do this whole process, and then I'll do my makeup, and then by the time I'm done with my makeup, my hair will be like set so that I can take my scarf off and it'll be good. So I'll let this on my hair for a few minutes, and I'm just gonna untie it. And voila. So this is my hair. It is very slicked down. No hair gel was used, and I did not aggressively brush my hair to try and get it as smooth as possible. So yeah, this is okay. And sometimes what I'll do, I'll just put like a pin on the side. Just, I don't know, it sort of helps my hair not to it sort of helps my hair to stay sleek, just putting 2 bobby pins on the side. And I think I'm just more comfortable with that. But yeah, that is how I've been using my hair. From now on, I'm just going to be wearing my hair in a bun for a while until the end of the month, because I have to do a different hairstyle with my hair. So I'm just trying to really care for my hair. As most of you already know, this is my favorite protective hairstyle. I already did a video about it, and I can link that down below. I don't know, one day I just tried to sleek my hair and not use gel, and it worked. So I'm sure a lot of you know black castor oil has many benefits for your hair. It is very thick, and it's really good for hair growth and strengthening your hair. And this oil is almond oil and mint. So the little bit of mint that it has in it helps to stimulate hair growth. And because I mixed it with this, you don't really feel like much of a tingling, but I still think it's beneficial. Really, you can just do this with the moisturizer and the black castor oil. But I use 3 products, of course, but it's very simple and good for your hair. So I hope you found this video interesting. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this before, or if you do decide to try this, let me know how it works. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and for sure subscribe so you can see more. I will talk to you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.